Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial of Alight Motion. In this video, I will show you how to freeze a frame of video. It's very easy. Simply go to the frame of video that you want to freeze. Then click on export button and export current frame as a PNG. But Alight Motion having some error while exporting a frame. This is not exactly that frame we want to export or freeze or capture. Alight Motion export the first frame of video. To fix this, add a marker to that frame that you want to capture. Then go back and duplicate the project. Then go to marker and trim the project from right side and also from left side. Then export current frame as a PNG and save to gallery. After that, open the original project, go to marker and add a photo that you have recently saved in gallery. Move that photo one frame further. Set the photo duration you want. Split the video that you have marked. Move the second part of video to next after the image. You can also add extra elements to that video.
Thank you so much for watching.